So if we were face to face, I'd have us all pile into the digital imaging lab at St. Vincent. And I have some feathers that we can look at. I've got one here on the microscope. And this is just from a tufted titmouse, which is a small passerine songbird. And this is a tail feather. And it's just gray. You can not much to see there. You know, you got the calamus, you've got the rachis, you've got the two veins of the feather on either side of the rachis. So it's under the microscope, and this is what it looks like under the microscope. I'm going to try and record the image so that you can see what's going on. Okay, so under the microscope, I'm zooming in. I already labeled the rachis for you. The veins are on either side of the rachis. And now we're going to look at the barbs. The barbs are coming off at angles from the rachis. I'm going to say kind of from the thick rachis there on the right side of the screen. They're coming off horizontally. Those are the barbs. And now as I zoom in, you can see that each barb has a whole bunch of barbules that come off also at angles. And the barbules are coming off both to the right and to the left of each barb. And where they meet in the middle, they zip up. And so what I've been trying to demonstrate now is I'm going to take this needle and I'm going to try and unzip the feather. And it doesn't work very well, so I got to try it a second time and work a little bit harder to unzip those hooklets that are keeping the barbules connected. So normally the feather is sort of zipped up like Velcro, and that allows the bird to move air with its wings, or also to keep the feathers waterproof, because water will just pass over the surface of the feather rather than going through it. So anyway, I've used the needle, I've unzipped it so that possibly we can take a look at the little hooklets or barbicels that are at the ends of each barbule. And so again, we've got a barb, we've got little barbules coming off sort of you know, to the left and the right, and then the hooklets. You see the word the? There's some hooklets in there. They are branching off from the barbules. So I hope you got a good look at those. They're microscopic, and you know, using this particular lens, I wasn't able to show you all that well. But now I use the needle to zip that feather right back up, and now it's good to go.